2023 Subaru Crosstrek XV. Got wheels on it. XV Crosstrek. This one is tiny. There's a hold on. Inside there's the Harsus button. Thanks for watching.